Alright, so this morning, just showing you what to do to empty this here dehumidifier. This normally makes some loud ass buzzing. It's pretty annoying, but it keeps it not humid. So, when it stops, usually it's because it's full, because it's going a lot this time of year. So, red light means it's full. So, I gotta pop it open down here. This is easier with two hands, so. See, and it just pops out. It's got the little handle. I gotta go outside. Make sure not to spill any water all over the place. That would not be good. Gonna be nice for us to stay out again today. Then, gonna reference back watering plants part 1. Just gonna empty it right into here. It's got the little spout, you just pour water out. Put it in. That's empty. Pop it in, come back, and there it goes.